Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I am going to do 3 quick and easy DIY for you. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, so it will be inexpensive and beautiful and functional. So let's see what we need for this project. The first project, you will need one of the Dollar Tree plate, and these are the dessert plates. You'll need one of the Dollar Tree bowls. You'll need one of the jars, small jars. You will need a tea light holder. Now, this project that I'm doing is all for spring, and I am not going to paint anything. Everything is going to remain clear. You can choose to paint if you want to. Now, this is the Dollar Tree Diamond Wrap adhesive. So it comes already with the adhesive on the back. You'll need your glue gun and your glue sticks. You definitely need your scissors so you can cut your diamond wrap. We're going to take our glue, generous amount of glue. Okay guys, so this is where I am. I'm finishing up the one little spot, and I figured I will bring you in so you can see how I am wrapping the diamond wrap. Basically just push it up under with your nails so that everything meets. Cut off your excess. Press and tuck. And this is where we are. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Love the way that looks. And you can place a cupcake, you can place a flower. I think it's absolutely perfect for Easter, so you can display a bunny. For this next project, you're gonna need 2 of these tiny, adorable, of course, they're the Christmas ornaments. You'll need the Dollar Tree lights, and these are the fairy lights. I think that was perfect. I'm gonna go with this one with the wire. You'll need a lid. The Dollar Tree sells lids, but I did haul this one from Bed Bath & Beyond last year sometime, and it was, I got it at 75, so I got it around 70 cents. You definitely need your glue gun, and you will need glue sticks. All right, let's get started. First thing I want to do is lay a generous amount of glue onto the bottom of my vase. Make sure it's a generous amount. Then I'm going to go over the top of the lid. Okay, so once you've got your wire where you want it to be in place, go ahead and add some glue around the top of your ornament, which is now your bowl, and place it down on the inside of your vase. Let it dry. Here, I didn't want to add any diamond wrap or anything. I just love the clean lines and how sleek, clean it looks. I love that. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I absolutely love that. I want to bring it closer so you can see. Totally love it. Okay, let's jump right into our next DIY. So for this next project, you're gonna need one of the Dollar Tree small bowls. You can go ahead and remove the tags. You'll also need one of these ice cream bowls. Definitely need your scissors, glue gun, glue sticks, and the Dollar Tree have these little stickers. It comes on both sides, and you will need one of those. The first thing we want to do is flip our ice cream bowl over, and I think this project is absolutely perfect for Easter. So what I want to do is go ahead and put a generous amount of glue onto the inside and on the edge of the bottom of your ice cream bowl. So this is where we are, and I decided I wanted to finish this off with some of the Dollar Tree gems. So I'm going to go ahead, lay some glue down, just like that. I'm gonna take it all the way around and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished the gems all the way around. Love that. I also decided to add some to where it was joint, and now I am just outlining the design of the ice cream bowl, and I'm adding the Dollar Tree gems all the way around. And I must tell you, I am loving this Moroccan look. So basically, all you have to do is get your Dollar Tree gem, lay a tad bit of glue down, and just outline what is already provided for you, these lines. Okay guys, so I went ahead and on the stickers comes these little tiny round. So I went ahead and add one there, and then I put a gem onto the center, and I took the gems all the way around. Now if you like, you can also take the gem and outline the back and even fill the center in. That would be beautiful, but just for demonstration purposes, I left it as is. And so here we are, a beautiful home decor. It is absolutely fabulous. I can go ahead, turn our battery operated light on, or if you want a regular candle, I think that will be perfectly fine as well, and place it on the inside. Like I said, you can add eggs, or you can even add a bunny on the inside. All right guys, thank you so much. This is the way all three projects turned out. I'm gonna go ahead, clean up. Okay guys, so this is my inspiration for my dish over here. And I must tell you, I do love the way that these turned out. All right guys, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for joining me today again, and I will see you on my next DIY.